You have a lot to do for the coming school year, and with the looming threat of deep budget cuts, you may be feeling overwhelmed by the job at hand. As a proud participating member and sponsor of the National Association for Pupil Transportation, we at Hydrotex are eager to work with you to keep America's school bus fleet on the road. With over 80 years of service to the pupil transportation industry, we currently work with more than 500 school districts to maintain a combined fleet of over 17,000 school buses traveling a total 140 million miles per year. Hydrotex is a supporting member of 18 state pupil transportation programs, as well as the regional Southeastern States APT Conference and NAPT's America's Best Competition, and has provided lubrication and maintenance training to over 10,000 bus maintenance professionals. Let's take a look at how a lubrication management partnership with Hydrotex can help you tackle even the strictest budget constraints. Due to coronavirus shutdown effects, state income and sales tax revenues have fallen dramatically. Many lawmakers have responded by proposing steep cuts to education spending, as much as 25% in Michigan. At the same time, school districts are expected to adhere to strict social distancing requirements to prevent the spread of COVID-19, such as staggered seating and routine cleaning on school buses, which place greater demand on your bus fleet and personnel, staggered bell times, which help to lower the number of needed buses but increase your operating expenses while further complicating the problem of driver shortages. Reduced classroom time and increased online learning, which can help with budgeting issues but may negatively affect quality of education and social interaction. So when facing all these new challenges, what can you do to tackle budget constraints while ensuring safe, reliable transportation for your students? One strategy is to optimize how your lubrication and maintenance dollars are being spent. Lubricant expenses are often an overlooked line item in a transportation budget, usually accounting for no more than 2% of annual operating expenses. While the most common method of reducing lubricant expenses is just to find the cheapest products available, this overlooks the fact that lubrication affects over half of your budget expenses, specifically fuel costs, asset depreciation, and repair and maintenance costs. Cheap lubricants could be costing you a lot of missed savings. Let's take a look at one of your biggest operating expenses, fuel. Fuel costs usually account for around 40% of a fleet's budget. 94% of U.S. school buses are diesel-powered, and diesel is widely regarded as the most efficient and cost-effective fuel type for school buses. But using conventional lubricating oil is a drag on your fuel economy, no matter if you use diesel, gasoline, or natural gas. EPA road tests have shown that switching from conventional to synthetic lubricants increases fuel economy up to 4.5% in city driving conditions, largely due to reduced friction, better oil flow, and lower operating temperatures. What's more, fuel efficiency tends to degrade over time due to deposit buildup in your fuel system. A solid fuel management program featuring treatment with a detergent fuel improver such as Hydrotex's Power Clean has shown to restore and maintain lost power and fuel economy by 4% or more, and by up to 6.7% when used in conjunction with synthetic lubricants. To put that in perspective, for a typical diesel school bus running 20,000 miles per year, this translates into a fuel usage reduction of up to 200 gallons annually, or up to $500 per bus in fuel costs. And that's just from fuel savings alone. Premium performance lubricants last much longer than conventional ones, and when used with routine oil analysis, you can extend or optimize your drain intervals, saving you time and money spent on lubricant usage, replacement filters, and labor costs. Hydrotex's high-film Leo engine oils have been shown to extend oil drain intervals and reduce oil usage by as much as 400%. And independent testing of our high-torque gold transmission fluid showed it to last up to 3 times longer in Allison transmissions compared to the factory-fill lubricant. By converting to premium performance lubricants, combined with oil analysis and extended drains, one fleet of 229 school buses in Florida was able to reduce their oil change labor and filter costs by over 70% and saw an overall reduction in annual lubrication expenses of 35%. And by using premium, built-for-purpose lubricants, you can reduce component wear and lower operating temperatures to minimize equipment failures, maintenance time, and depreciation of your fleet's assets. We know that while you may understand the benefits of converting to premium performance lubricants and fuel improvers, you have a lot to do and need quick solutions. That's why we developed our Lubrication Management Partnerships to simplify your life. Lubrication Management Partnerships help you conquer maintenance challenges, allowing you to focus on what's really important. Whether your lubrication program is in its earliest stage or you are ready to take the next step to first-class maintenance practices, we will work with you to determine your lubrication needs, manage your lubricant inventory, and provide collaborative support and training. And with our simplified standard billing options, you can directly tie your lubrication costs to operations to help you manage even the strictest budget requirements. It all starts with an on-site survey. Your dedicated lubrication consultant will work with you to survey your equipment, determine your annual and seasonal lubricant needs, and keep track of inventory, as well as forecasting your future needs so you never have to worry about unplanned downtime or expedited shipping charges due to lubricant inventory shortages. Because we can forecast your lubricant needs, we can break your lubricant expenses into consistent, predictable payments, monthly, semi-monthly, quarterly, whatever is best for you. You can even choose billing terms by operating hours or by the mile, tying your variable costs directly to production and operation. Your costs are also locked in for the duration of the partnership agreement, up to 3 years, protecting you from future price increases. A partnership with Hydrotex means you gain the full support of the Hydrotex team. Your dedicated lubrication consultant will be your go-to resource, and the Hydrotex technical response team is only a phone call away to assist you with even the toughest lubrication and maintenance issues. You will also gain easy access to targeted, customized training through our Lubrication University, and oil and fuel analysis is included in all partnerships, allowing you to proactively monitor the health of your equipment and optimize your preventative maintenance program. You can be secure in your lubrication program with the combined value of reduced maintenance, price assurance, and peace of mind. Contact your local Hydrotex representative or the Hydrotex customer relationship team today at 800-527-9439 or by email at hydrotex@hydrotexlube.com to learn more about how a lubrication management partnership can help you conquer your budget and maintenance challenges.